Most cars on the road today have this chasm in between their seats and the center consoles. Now, if you drop something in there, or if your phone slips out of your pocket, there's no way you're going to retrieve it while you're driving. I mean, you're going to have to pull over and really dig in there to get it out. An Amazon seller named Joy Tutus, I think, sent us this one here for us to test out. They're basically supposed to fill that gap and prevent things from falling in. Now, there's still an open space back here, so maybe the seatbelt helps keep your stuff in as well. Now, Amazon has many different versions of this. This particular version has these storage compartments and comes in this cool gray color. Check this out, it even has a spot to put your phone in. Now, these things are made out of this soft, rubbery material, so they're going to be nice to your legs. Now, I'm not sure if I personally would benefit from this, but somebody else might. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Do you have problems with things constantly falling in there? And would you yourself rock something like this in your own car? It's this guy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Amazon product samplings.